front lifts north through the region Wednesday, followed by a cold front and weak low pressure late in the week. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flood watch for a portion of northeast New Jersey, including the following areas: eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, and western Union. A prolonged period of rain is forecast tonight through Sunday evening as a frontal boundary stalls near the area with multiple waves of low pressure tracking along it. Rainfall amounts will average around 2 inches by the time the event ends, with localized higher amounts possible. Minor flooding of smaller streams and rivers is possible along with urban and poor drainage flooding. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.